Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Chipma News. Here I am only reading newspaper article. This is our today article. Cabinet wait for 2 minutes. Cabinet clear caste enumerations in census. Final today. Union Minister Ashwin Vishwaha briefing the media on the cabinet decision on Wednesday. Shiv Kumar Pushkar. Caste count would be held for the first time in independent India. The census will be conducted in detail. More dates for the delayed census yet to be notified. Amit Shah said the count will promote inclusion and pave new paths of progress. The finding likely to become basis of the next delimitation exercise to decide the number of Lok Sabha seats. Vijeta Singh, New Delhi. The union cabinet had decided to include caste enumeration as part of the next census exercise. Union Minister Arvind Vishwa announced on Wednesday. True, the decisions come months ahead of the Bihar Assembly elections. The dates for the next decennial census exercise last held in 2011 are yet to be notified by the government. The 2021 census has been postponed indefinitely, initially due to the COVID 19 pandemic. The last time that India's entire population was counted by caste was in pre independent India in 1931. Since then, the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe have been counted in the census exercise. However, reservations measure for education and employment have expanded to include other backward classes (OBC), all based on projection and estimates from the British era head count. Unlike the 2011 Socio-Economic Caste Census (SECC), which was run outside the purview of the census exercise and did not mandate caste disclosure. This time, caste will enumerated in the second and the final phase of the census, giving the count a statutory backing. Digital mode. A senior government official told The Hindu that as the next census will be conducted in digital mode for the first time, and other columns with a drop down code directory containing the names of the caste will likely be added in the census mobile application. The official added that the software for this is currently undergoing tests. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said on X that the Congress and its ally opposed the caste censor for decades while in power and played politics over it while in the opposition. He said that the decision will promote inclusion and pave new paths for the progress of the deprived. The Hindu reported first on August 22, 2024 that the union government was actively considering caste enumeration. Briefing press person after the cabinet meeting on Thursday, Mr. Vishwas said Congress government have always opposed caste census. Caste was put included in all the census operation conducted since independence. In 2010, the Prime Minister of late Manmohan Singh ji had assured the Lok Sabha that the matter of caste census should be considered in the capital. A group of ministers was formed to consider the subject. Most of the political party and recommended caste census. Despite this, the Congress government decided to conduct merely a survey of caste instead of caste census. That survey is known as the SECC, creating a list of castes. The official quoted above added that the SECC showed more than 46 lakh different caste names, whereas the total number of castes counted during the 1931 census was 4,147. The official added SECC drew up lakhs of caste names as it was kept open ended. Respondents were asked to name their caste. For example, people wrote Gupta, Agarwal, etc. for Bania caste, which increased the numbers exponentially. This time, a code directory will likely be provided, which will include approved names. According to the latest government data, there are about 2,650 OBC community in the central list, 1170 in the SC category, and 890 community in the ST list. The state government maintain their own list of OBC group. The findings of the census will also become the basis of the next delimitation exercise for the seat in the Lok Sabha and will kick off the implementations of the 33% reservation for women in parliament and the state assembly, giving additional import to the count. Around 30 lakh government officials will perform the duties of enumerators. So guys, this is now we start our daily English session practice. Know your English from the archive. K. Subramaniam S. Upendra. Is there a difference between eminent and eminent? Yes, there is. An eminent person is someone who is well known, important, and respected in his profession. For example, J.R.D. Tata was an eminent industrialist. Can I say Sachin Tendulkar is an eminent cricket? I suppose you could, but the stress is on the first syllable M. It rhymes with the words them and him. I see. My cousin Chandrasekhar is an eminent scientist. Did I say it right this time? Yes, but who is this cousin? I will tell you about him later. Tell me what eminent means. Once again, the stress is on the first syllable. The im in the first syllable sounds like the im in words like important, impossible, and im. Okay, what does it mean when you say that something is imminent? It means it is almost certain to happen very soon, and it is usually associated with something bad. For example, many senior politicians believe that war is imminent. How about this example? The people started rioting because they knew that defeat was imminent. So the eminent cricketer Clive Lillard call of the match. That's an excellent example, but I guess you had prefer not to talk about the World Cup. You are right, I had prefer not to talk about it. Thinking about it does not put a smile on my face. Put a smile on your face. I have not heard that expression before. To put a smile on someone's face means to please someone, to make someone happy. We are planning to give my boss a surprise party tomorrow that should put a smile on his crimson face. If I get a hundred in tomorrow's test, it should put a smile on my father's face. I told my mother that I had been given a big raise that put a big smile on her face. I ran into Gopa today and I am sure that did not put a smile on your face. It did actually. I like him. Why don't you? I think he speak with a forked tongue. I forked tongue. What does it mean? It means to tell lies, to try and receive someone. For example, my neighbor is a very charming man, but he speaks with a forked tongue, meaning he tells a lot of lies. Yes, that's right. Is it okay so to say that people in power speak with a forked tongue? It certainly is. The Hawala case has shown as preciously that what the problem is, we don't know who is speaking with a forked tongue. Eminent politician leading the country to eminent disaster. They certainly would not put smile on anybody's face. Published in The Hindu on May 7, 1996. This is our today daily quiz 8. The daily quiz, a quiz on Vietnam which just observed 50 years of the reunifications of North and South. Srinivas Ramani. Question number 1. By which famous name is the revolutionary Nagyun Singkong known as? Question number 2. What was the name of the organization that led the guerrilla war against the US and South Vietnam? Question number 3. Who was the communist leader who negotiated the Paris Peace Accord with Henry Kissinger and won the Nobel Peace Prize but refused to accept it? Question number 4. Name the general and senior leader of the Communist Party of Vietnam who led the victory at Dien Bien Phu against the French. Question number 5. What was the name of the trail used by North Vietnam forces to transport troops and supply into South Vietnam, passing through Laos and Cambodia? Visual question. Who is a photographer who took this photo? Question answer to the previous degree. This USA president was inaugurated on April 13, 1789. George Washington. This French modern painter early work include the Lunatian on the Gross and Olympian Edward Manet. William Alexander became the king of the country in 2013. The Netherlands, this Italian filmmaker is known for his masterpiece, The Good and Bold and the Ugly. Sergio Leone. This politician died by suicide on April 30, 1945. Adolf Hitler. Visual identify this filmmaker, Dada Saif Phalke, Hollywood, who gives the answer this. So guys, this is today's video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Plus bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.